In today's video, we're going to be talking about the tiny home trend. As you know, van life was a popular trend during COVID-19, but now the pandemic is over, tiny homes are becoming increasingly popular. Tiny homes are so popular because they are a lot more affordable than traditional homes. They're more environmental friendly and they offer a more simpler lifestyle. Many vendors here are going to tell you you wouldn't need a permit because they are all on wheels like an RV. But I believe those rules only apply if you are staying in an RV park, not if you're putting a structure in your own backyard. I'm not an expert myself, and do check with your vendors or even call a city to find out more. As far as I know, you will always need a permit on any structure higher than 8 feet, even if it is on your own backyard. Please leave a comment if you have done these kind of projects before. Thanks in advance. We're gonna check out a few more model homes in the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is going to be the last home in our tour. If you have already given me a like and subscribed, I really appreciate it. See you next time.